How's it going, guys? It's Kevin from SubiSpeed. Hopefully you guys are staying safe and practicing your social distancing. We've got the SCI in the bay today. It hasn't had any significant changes to it for quite some time. As some of you guys may know, this used to be the white car, and then we wrapped it yellow for a while. We tore that off and then put this livery on it for the SEMA show, where it sat at the raised boot. It's mainly cosmetic mods on this car. As far as suspension goes, it's just got some Tane Street Basis Z's on it, so an entry-level coilover, but we are going to be changing that today. Obviously in front of me you see the Airlift Performance suspension, so we are going to be bagging our SCI and slamming it to the ground. Probably going to get some slack for this because I know there are a lot of people out there that hate the stance scene, think it's stupid, think it is crazy and it ruins the car, think it's unsafe. But at the end of the day, if it's your car, you do what you want to it. The haters. What most of those people don't realize is with airlift suspension, we aren't usually driving around with the car slammed to the ground. This allows us to raise the car back up to normal ride height, so we aren't scraping on steep driveways, inclines, speed bumps, and things of that nature. Also, while these give you a really comfortable ride quality, you can actually stiffen these up and take them to the track as well. Before I get into things, if you are interested in some Airlift Performance suspension, they are currently 15% off until the end of the month with no code necessary. If these don't happen to be your thing, we're also running our tax season sale right now until the 23rd. You can use the code TS2020 to get 12% off your order, and we are doing 5% off wheels with no code necessary. And if you do happen to be using that TS2020 code, you can be entered to win a set of HKS coilovers by commenting your order number in the giveaway video. I will link that up above. So we're basically going to be doing a three-part series on this kit. Today I'm going to be going through the essential components that are included to give you guys an idea of what we are working with. The second part will be the install process, and the third part will be sort of a showcase video where we just drive around and air out, and then maybe we'll do a fourth part where we do a review of the whole process. But we are going to be starting off with the main components here, which are the struts. We've got front and rear here. Both are going to have double bellows progressive rate air springs. Like I said, these are going to create a stable platform for aggressive track driving while also giving you a level of comfort that's not typically found with lowered suspensions. You can go from really soft to super stiff with the 30 levels of adjustable damping, which adjust both rebound and compression simultaneously. At the top, you've got proprietary bolt-in camber plates with high-quality Japanese manufactured spherical ball bearings and rubber upper mounts in the rear. We've got threaded adjustable strut mounts with high-performance monotube struts with that 30-level range of damping adjustment that's been specifically tuned to match the air springs. The monotube construction is actually the preferred choice in racing, and they weigh considerably less than the OEM parts we're going to be pulling off the car, which is going to reduce your unsprung weight and improve both the ride quality and handling. And they come with braided stainless steel leader air hoses. Now, as far as height goes, the front is going to allow for a maximum of a 4.8-inch drop and then 5.1 inches in the rear. Moving over to the air management side of the kit, we've got a 4-gallon aluminum raw finish air tank, super lightweight. We've got a Viair, I think that's how you say it, 444C air compressor, 60 feet of 1/4-inch air line, which with all the fittings and necessary filters included. We've got a pre-wired harness to make things as easy as possible. And then we have the Manifold Ecu, which is basically the brains of the whole thing, controls the airflow to your suspension, which you control through this little display controller right here, which is actually, I thought this was going to be plastic, but this is actually a really nice controller. It's going to mount obviously wherever you want it on the inside of the car, and with the push of the button you can raise or lower your car. If you want to do a custom trunk setup with the air compressor and tank, you may need to grab some other supplies from your local hardware store, but this kit basically comes with everything you need to get this installed, and that basically wraps it up, guys. If you have any questions at all, leave them in the comment section down below. Like I said, in the next video, I will be going through the install process. And don't forget, this is currently 15% off until the end of the month, and we have that tax season sale going on as well. 12% off using the code TS2020 and 5% off wheels with no code necessary. If you have any suggestions or video recommendations, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will see you guys next time. Stay safe, guys.